So Arby, we're going to be posting this on the ENS corporate. From a network operations center standpoint, you need to be recognized for some of the work that you've done over the years, including this one. This is the golf courses for a city. So do you remember when you didn't know how to do any of this stuff?
Yeah.
And now the client just sends you their requests and you're doing the content for them. And this isn't just one golf course, this is multiple golf courses, right?
Hmm.
And so you know how to do all of this. Your mind is now made for being able to manage large scale deployments of digital signs, right?
Hmm.
You'd
Yeah.
think the client would do this on their own, right?
Hmm.
But that's not how it works. If somebody's a quick serve restaurant and they're very busy, they just need somebody to move stuff around and help them out because this isn't their normal stuff, right? So
Right.
can you please post this back into the digitalsign.com? It's important. It's if somebody looks at all of our stuff, it's the due diligence that we really do what we do. Okay. Thanks, everybody.